Okay guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be changing out the engine air filter. I'm going to take a look at mine, see if it needs to be changed. I haven't changed it since I got it in the summertime. We haven't drove a whole lot on it, but I'm going to take a look at it, probably change it out anyways. I have air filters, so it's not a big deal. Now you probably want to change these air filters out. Let's take a look to see what it says. So I got a Fram. There's nothing, I don't know, you can get any types air filters, but it says 12,000 miles or 20,000 kilometers. So that's roughly a year's driving. Now that being said, if you are in a dusty environment or area, you're going to want to change this out a little more often, so maybe like twice a year. Where I am, it's a new area. So when we first got here, yeah, I had to change it out quite often, probably twice a year, with my Mazda 3, just because there's a lot of dust and construction going on. So that being said, let's take a look at what mine looks like, and we'll go ahead and change it. Okay, so this is your air box right here. You got one tab and you got another tab just over here. You're going to pull those down. You're going to try and push this back a bit. I'm sure you got another couple tabs on the back. See if I can feel them. Maybe it pulls up. Yep, I think it just pulls up and out. So as you can see, here's my filter. It's pretty gross. So we're gonna change this out because that's pretty gross. The guy I bought it from said he did some maintenances, and this is, if you want the part number right from Nissan, there it is. Let's try to get it in. There you go. So if you want to get it right from Nissan, go ahead. I haven't checked Nissan. Sometimes their parts are a little cheaper. I noticed with Mazda, sometimes going right to the dealer is actually cheaper than buying like a Fram or an aftermarket at your local auto parts store. So go ahead, check with them first. If you happen to notice they are more expensive, then just go to your local automotive store or parts store or whatever. So we're going to want to look inside. Mine doesn't look too bad. There's no like big dust or dirt in there. I know it's hard for you guys to see because it's very dark, but I assure you that it looks good. So we're going to want to inspect our new filter. It's brand new, it looks good, and looks good. So we're going to want to put it in the exact same way. So in this, the pleats we're going to have down. So we're going to throw it in. Here we go. Perfect. So as you can see, it's all the way in there. Nice orange, it's easy to see. We just want to make sure it's seated. So yeah, it looks good. So all we're going to do now is adjust this air box a bit. Oh, it's not in this. There we go. A couple slats at the bottom. Probably has to sit into. There we go. Shouldn't be this hard. And that's all there is to it, guys. Just gonna make sure it's all the way seated all the way down. There. So that's all there is to it. Now we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance reminder on your vehicle so that it will remind you to change the air filter after a certain amount of kilometers. So we're gonna go in. I'm going to set it for 15,000 kilometers. I know this thing says 20,000, but we'll set it for 15. This way we can take a look at it. I'm in a little, like, they're still doing construction in this area, so this way it's able for me to at least give it a check and determine if it's still good or not. If it's still good, then I'll just add a couple thousand kilometers. But 15,000 kilometers is probably good in the city that I'm in and the area that I'm in, because there's still houses going up, there's still trucks in the summertime hauling dirt and stuff, so we're gonna go inside and do that. Okay, so yeah, we hit apps. I'm gonna hit maintenance notes, maintenance. We'll say yes. We're gonna go engine. We're gonna go down to air filter. And we're gonna set the distance at 15,000 kilometers. There we go. And we'll set the reminder. And it is, of course, January 20th. And we're gonna set reset. So now that's how you set it, and everything should be good to go now. So we're just gonna back out, and that's all there is, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can share with any of your friends or family.